All right, so we're going to have four things, or a specific order that we're going to go through in order to allocate our costs and come up with net income by department. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to identify our revenue and our direct expenses. Just so we have that first part before we do any allocations, we know here's how much revenue dairy had and here's what their direct expenses were for their people and for the milk we bought. Then we're going to allocate our indirect expenses. And when we allocate them, we're allocating them to both our profit centers and to our service departments, which are our cost centers. 3, we're going to take our service department, which now has its service department direct costs, plus their allocated indirect costs, and we're going to take that whole amount and we're going to allocate it out to our profit centers. So at this point, the only departments that will have costs will be our profit centers. The indirect expenses will have been allocated, then the service department expenses will be allocated, and only the profit centers will have expense. Once we get there, then we're going to calculate our net income by department. I'm going to switch over to the computer and take you through an example. I also am going to have an updated list that has a lot more than 4 steps, so we can get a little more granular on a step-by-step how you go through this allocation process. But I wanted to give you the highlight or the high level before we got started. All right, come join me at the computer. Make sure you have your worksheet printed out or up on your screen so that you can follow along. You're not going to want to miss a moment of this. All right, see you guys.